We're about to go on a family trip.
Let's go, let's go.
On me.
Say cheese.
You supposed to put 39 to make it various.
What's up, Blackie Vlog? We are finna go to Florida. I wish I would have showed y'all the big old van that we got. I'll show y'all later. But we're about to go on a family trip.
Let's go, let's go.
But since we playing music, I'm just letting y'all know we finna go on a family trip and I'm a vlog. So say hey to the vlog.
I'm on mine.
Swear.
Yeah.
But anyway, yeah, we finna go on this trip and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Yeah, I got my mic on though. Hold on. You can talk to me.
Oh, he's so professional. Hey guys, we're in the bathroom at Zaxby's.
Here, say something. You gotta put it to your mouth. Say hey.
Hey,
Where are you going to?
Floater. You say it.
You say it.
You said it.
Okay. We finna go to Florida, y'all. This is my nephew.
Say something else.
Say something else?
Yeah.
Why what? We just stopped at Zaxby's.
Say who my mama is.
Okay. His sister is my mother. His
Mom.
My sister is his mom.
And say that Yana is your sister.
And Yana is my sister.
And say something else. Say that granddad is in the van.
My dad, which is his granddad, is in the van. Y'all, he could have just got the mic and talked himself. But we had Zaxby's. Dad, come here. Try to catch the Say hey.
Say hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Say hey.
Hey.
You gonna talk to them? What you gonna say?
Hey.
That's all you gonna say? You just hey? Y'all gonna say hey? Maya, say hey. Say hey, Grandma. Hey, baby. Okay, y'all, we made it. We are here. It is so beautiful out here. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm finna give y'all like a little mini house tour because it is kind of big. Hold on. It's so many people in here, y'all. And it's like a family reunion. For real. Hold on. Okay, tour starts now. here. Oh, you wanna say hey?
Hey.
Here you go. Ty, you wanna say hey to the vlog?
I know who's out of everybody.
No, you're not.
I know who's out of everybody.
But yeah, so these are our rooms. This is a big old house. It's gonna be so chaotic, but it's gonna be lit. But I'm gonna tell y'all later. Hey guys, so what time is it? It is 7:21. We got here around like probably like 45 minutes to an hour ago. We really just getting like set up. We had to find everybody rooms. I done switched rooms. Everybody really outside in the pool, but like it's wet outside because it was literally just raining when we was over here. But like it got sunny, so like it's wet outside, so I don't really feel comfortable having my camera out there, and there's a lot of kids running around, like literally. So when I think I'm gonna get in the pool. When I get in the pool, I'm gonna probably talk to y'all, but we really just chilling right now, cause like we didn't ride down here with my cousins, so like I'm really just bonding with them. But yeah, I just wanted to come talk to y'all before I put my camera up, because I would be so mad if something happened to my camera, because it's chaotic. But like, it's supposed to be having like a pool party, game night or whatever tonight, and it's supposed to be cooking, but everybody really went to the store. People outside, people just doing everything. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when, you know, we all get together and start having like family time. But I'll see y'all later. Ah. Come on, little man.
Hey, I'm about to dive this bitch.
Let go.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Dive in them motherfucker. Oh, I'm about to go in them motherfucker.
Yeah, we at Walmart now. It's 9:24. We're at Walmart because we ended up ordering pizza and wings for dinner. So now we gotta get paper plates, ranch, blue cheese, toilet paper, and we gotta get some like personal snacks and juice. And y'all, now I had to bring y'all with me. Yeah. Somebody was freaking rushing me because my daddy was talking to me. They trying to let me know what to get. Y'all. Ain't nobody being indirect. Y'all, Florida Walmart's be so different. I'd be so lost. When we just went to Destin. They did so fast. Alright, let me call my daddy. Going in there with a whole don't split the pole.
It's so humid out here.
It is. Going in there with a whole bunch of black folks is not for the weak. Y'all, we did not get that. We didn't even get that much stuff, y'all.
We was in that bit for like
We was in there for 40 minutes. Bro, and it was so hectic because it's a market. It's a market.
Oh yeah.
So it was a small Walmart. It's a lot of people in there, and they just looking at us like. And we in this big old van, like we a football team, not a football team, a basketball team. AAU basketball team. All right, Jen, get ran over. Finna get a check. Hey y'all, it's the next day. We haven't done nothing but literally eat, and then I learned a new card game just like 10 minutes ago. I did. Learned the card game. Gonna be fine that. Yeah. We are about to go to the beach. It is like 2:30. Let me see. It's 3 o'clock actually. And we're finna go to the beach. Let me open these blinds. Get some sun. Ooh. But we haven't been in here. But we're finna go to the beach. The reason why I wasn't vlogging earlier is because we really wasn't doing nothing. Literally woke up. Everybody was downstairs. The kids were in the pool. And then after we ate, we literally just started having a card game. And now we're going to the beach. And I don't know if I'm gonna get in because it's kind of cloudy. Because it's kind of cloudy out there. And I don't, you know how it's windy when you're at the beach, like cold water, getting out when you're cold. Like, I don't know.
I'm finna get in there.
Yeah,
I told you I'm pushing.
Sounds great. Anyway, I got on this little bikini. Yeah. This game changer.
Sponsor.
Right. Game changer right here. Ain't gonna lie, Simone put me on though. Y'all, it was one time I thought it was regular lip liner, and I put it on and I like closed my lips and it got all over my lips. And then you wait like 5 to 2 minutes. And then. But I'm gonna pack up my bag and then I'm probably gonna tell y'all when I get downstairs.
Hey. And I only put one in your bag.
Where that other towel? Did you grab my towel?
Yeah, I
I
have
ain't
it.
got no towel.
Cause the one I had, I think Grandma put in her bag.
She got a bag.
I don't know if it's in there though. Cause I haven't seen it. I only seen Alana's.
So this the bag?
No.
Okay, so check the bag.
That's what we're trying to
Y'all
say.
trying to make.
Leah, what I'm telling you, don't get the other towel that's in your bag.
He ain't wanna go get that towel. Go get it for me. You know what?
The
I'll
towel
go
was
get
in the
it.
bag, bro.
I'll do that one. Junior overstimulated right now. Dang, little man, it bad habit, twin. Man, I was 30.
What the fuck? Where we going?
Man, go ahead.
I come on.
I'm not here to bug. Get in. It ain't no bug, baby. Still got
Get in the van.
Good man.
Both y'all get in the van, no.
Y'all can't throw all this.
Somebody get in the
Y'all can't throw them back, baby.
Huh?
Y'all throw it back.
You can.
Y'all crazy as hell.
What? Y'all too.
Y'all you crazy.
And then he said, look. You finna go viral.
42 and doing. On who?
On me.
Y'all
That
crazy.
shit been recording, Mo, nigga.
Oh, I got it.
Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
Yeah.
What's the matter with me?
Right.
I got all my red man with
Yeah, you got that on camera, twin.
You got it on camera?
Yeah,
Let me
twin.
the camera's on there.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell y'all something. They would never put his hands on me.
I done bought the coupe. Ooh, I done did the rubbing. I done did the jacking.
Say hey, little bug.
Yeah, get back.
Had to wear the dress, cause I had a
Y'all, we just got here. Took us forever to find parking. Say cheese.
That must be the vlog, man.
Yeah, fun.
No. Why like that?
Like, what?
I need to be on YouTube.
cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no car. Tell you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a strip. Ask me how to do it. Kicking shit right here. Put it in a cab, send it to a playground. Hit 'em with the mat. 21st century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this. All the bitches lipstick. And pussy slipping. I can call it.
Yeah, we at the beach. We at like, it's called Cocoa Beach, I think. It's called Cocoa Beach. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am not getting in this water. So, you not? I might put my feet in there.
It might be tight in the water.
It might be what?
Tight in the water.
Sharks in the water. You see that? You see the boat over there? Yeah, dude. You see birds? Yeah, they got a crib.
I don't gotta throw you shit like Captain. I got 7 bitches with me, Captain. Yeah, R.I.P. Nipsey, I can tell you how to get rich. I can tell you how to die.
Flipping contest? Alright.
I can tell you how to talk the most beautiful shit. I can show you how to walk like you got decimal, bitch. Show you how I can get the top from all the top 10 bitches. I got white outer walls, I had my sin. I got lights on, baby, I got mouse in this bitch. No flats on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch. Grow tycoon, and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't record all of my bitches. I got layers, I got millions, I got all types of billions. Fuck around and add a pussy nigga out like me. Last nigga tried me, almost got popped. Ask the cops, ask the detectives, they know all the business. Ask the cops and the detectives, all the jurisdictions. Ask the kids at school who have mission, all the mission. Gave the lawyer close to 2 million and all the killings. I don't know and I don't wanna know who George business. I don't know what's going bro, I think they all spin. Don't speak that shit on wax, it's all more business. We know the killer business, that's a wild business.
Weezy out of here.
Diamonds keep a roof. Ooh, ooh. I done put the proof. Ooh, ooh. I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came for rest, the riches, I'm in shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause a lot of bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I was.
Who that is? That Quay.
I don't care about no comments.
Hold on. Let me see.
Put on speaker.
I am.
Put on speaker.
Hello, Jaquavius. Say hey to the vlog. Say just say hey to the vlog.
Going on, vlog.
Bruh, Gene learned how to do a backflip, bruh.
I know that is home.
So many handouts, so much backbending, so much entitlement. My family be acting in so many white diamonds. Yeah, I got jungle fever, but they didn't raise me. So shout out black women, so much commenting. Show me what you good at. Tell me the highs of the valley that your boots.
Come in, make a look to the left. We got no room for everybody.
We are at seafood. I look a mess. I don't know if y'all hear me. I don't want to talk loud.
People getting goddamn pancakes. They just went
Ice cold in here. I look a mess. We just came from the beach. We're starving. You want to introduce yourself? Hold on. Introduce yourself. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
So you gonna look at it low?
Good morning, guys. Y'all, yesterday I was so hungry. I didn't even show y'all the food. I told y'all I was eating, and I turned that camera right off. Y'all, we was at the beach for like so long, and then the beach was so far away, and then we didn't even eat until we got there, got back closer to the house or whatever. So really what we did was we're in Kissimmee. I thought it was Kissimmee, but everybody keep telling me it's Kissimmee. Kissimmee. But so that's like by Orlando. So, they wanted to go to the beach yesterday because we do have a lot of like kids with us. So like, I was like, beach day. But like, it was raining. So we was like trying to wait to see like what the weather was gonna do before we like all just drive down there in these big Bertha vans. Like, who are we? But nah, we them. But no, so they were trying to figure out like what the weather was gonna be like. So once we figured out like the weather was like starting to get hotter because like, you know, when you by the beach it's more windier. So we was really just waiting on the sun to come out. So we get there to the beach around like, I know I told y'all because I was getting ready. Whatever I told y'all yesterday. And then boom, we was there for a minute. Y'all seen people was just flipping. They was trying to get me to flip, but nah, baby, I just came off injury. Nah, big season coming up, but yeah, my brother learned how to do a flip in literally like 5 minutes, and then we drove back an hour and a half. I slumped on that van. When I tell you I wasn't asleep, that took me a good old nap. We got there. When I tell you it was so many people up in that restaurant, like, and everybody wasn't even there. And then I literally only got like probably like 2 clips of us in there. So yeah. So then after that, we really just got back. I showered because like that's one thing. That's one con about a beach is like sand gets everywhere. You can try your hardest not to have sand on you or anywhere, and it's gonna be everywhere, literally. And you know, we had like 4 kids in the van with us, so like they was all playing in the sand. So like we had so much sand, like getting on the bus trying to make sure they don't have a lot of sand on them. But yeah, I'm really just chatting, you know. Don't mind me. But yeah, I did not like the sand, so like I couldn't wait to get home, take a shower. Well, not home, but here, take a shower. And then what we do after that? I really should have recorded. We're gonna do another game night tonight, honestly. But it was really just us. I be smacking in ping pong. Let me tell you. Call me a pro. I be
taking it light on you. I don't want to be you that.
Remind me of volleyball.
I want to give you some confidence. Watch how I beat you today, though.
Okay. Y'all hear that? I'm gonna record that today. It's gonna be probably later tonight, you know, like once everybody be chilling. But if the freaking ball is not broke, y'all, one of the balls is like broken in half. But yeah, so we just got back, was chilling. We played this new game that my dad and my cousin taught us. Whooped her in that. She got mad. She threw the card, so like, got mad. I did not cheat. Bro, I did not cheat.
I was smacking that.
I did not cheat, y'all. But yeah, so today I really don't know what we have planned. That's one thing. Like this trip, like it started raining. Like we did so-called have a itinerary. Is my dad calling? Hello. Look at Casey, y'all.
Look at me. I'm not ready to do show.
But they looking at you.
Bro, stop looking.
They looking at you. I thought it don't open till later.
Yeah, I feel like when they finna cook breakfast, we're gonna drink mimosas.
Breakfast and mimosas. Come here.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. He's talking about something. Let me tell you something. If I didn't do you, who would you call that?
Ain't no more running from police, now they won't push you with me. I'm sticking down, also do a showdown. I told her get out of my mouth, I'm out in Cali, Houston, Texas, Dallas, ballin' like the man.
I'm gonna go check on Casey. He looks sad.
Y'all need to get a cup.
What's wrong, TT baby? You don't want to get in the water because it's cold?
Yes.
Huh.
It's cold. What is that?
It's a stand.
So you can do that. Press it and make it turn. And it's the mic.
Yeah. Let me see what happened to your hand. Right here.
Can't do what you doing. You recording?
Yeah.
Wait. Hello, vlog. So you hot?
Am I hot? I am hot. I'm gonna go back over there.
What they doing?
They sat down. I'm just checking on you. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Hold on, hold on, never mind. I'm gonna take one on my camera, hold on. When they made you red, bone slam, bitch. If it don't work here, leave. I ain't got for. Where? You made one? But if I want it, I'ma go get it. Free my, yo, Diddy, free my brother. No.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I were good, then you could manage. Yeah. How can we hold the beat? And it's closer to me. All getting me slides.
Do they have a mic? Oh yeah, I see the mic. Guys, do not see this. Do not see this, promise me, do not. Do not see this.
What I desire is my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I bring, put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we link up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of.
Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah.
Hello peeps, hello my peeps. We are currently at Universal, the Universal CityWalk. I think we're just supposed to be walking around. Honestly, y'all see me, y'all look, I got my mic on today. I'm doing good because my last vlog, I was editing, I was like, well, when y'all see this, I'm gonna have another vlog up before this, but like those two vlogs, I didn't really wear my mic. I did when I was on a boat in my previous vlog, but I gotta start wearing it when I'm outside because it be seem like I be talking low, but I don't feel like I be talking low. So
Where the hell we going? Huh? So we're going to do it. You know what?
do what? What's wrong with him? Oh. Yeah, I think we're just gonna walk around the city walk. I don't think we're gonna really do anything. Oh yeah, don't let him see that same guy. My dad's gonna go off. When go off. He ain't gonna forget. Y'all, so we pull up, right? And you know how we in the van, so they stopped us. Are you over here breathing hard?
Yeah, you had to walk and all the motherfuckers.
So we pull up and they told us that we had to park in the back because we had an RV or like a van and it was too big to go in the parking garage. And we see two vans like ours in the parking garage. And I actually believed him. And at first my dad was mad. We tell him to calm down, no. But now he has reason to be mad because why?
No.
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could burn some. Come through. Come through, girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through. Come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through. DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on. But who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up. They just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, ain't that different, you know. Last album had it booming, something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life. Girl, you know you got that thing that I like. Girl, you got that thing for real. When I was on a mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor with you when you lived in the basement? Who else got all the things you need at 4 a.m. when it's late? I always pour you up a drink to let you burn some. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do.
guys, we are at the world of food trucks. Gonna eat so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
And I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are the star, so still. Even though I found you pretty last out in Mobile. Ever since I caught you all that ice, you got no chill, no more. Time ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it a million times. Whoa. Linking up, we went and turned together. I always keep you close. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And you dressed up for me, but you don't want to show anybody. Super low key, you don't know.
Hey guys, so it's 12:22. We just got back from the food trucks. It's really late. We probably just gonna get in the pool the last night for real, and then after we got a pool, I'm gonna shower and start packing everything up because like, I do have a lot of stuff out. And we're gonna pack stuff up, just make sure we have everything organized because checkout is at 10, but we're supposed to be leaving at 9. So pack everything up and just really head back home. This really might be the end of the vlog. I'm really just gonna enjoy the last night with the fam and whoever just get in the pool with us. But yeah, I had fun recording this vlog and I'm gonna start editing. Y'all see me in the next vlog, but I hope y'all liked the video. Subscribe, like, share, do all that good stuff, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.